Guys, I'm in Nice. It's my first morning here. I came yesterday and this is my room. It's a 6-bed room, but because of COVID they only put 3 people maximum here, so yesterday I slept here. Here was a guy, here was another one, but yeah, it's pretty well, it's okay. It's 18 euros per night. And I woke up, took a shower. The plan for today is to go directly to the beach and say hi to a few people I know from last year, and yeah, then chill at the beach. And at 6 I'm gonna meet that girl again I met yesterday. We shot a few clips and today we probably gonna film a little bit more. And the plan for now is to leave tomorrow in the morning to back to Italy, stay one day in Milano, and then take a flight to Vienna. For I booked a one for 7 euros. And yeah, let's see if I can let's see if it stays with this plan, you know, because I change plans real quick. And but I'm really kind of getting out of money, so I kind of have to go back home soon. I can't afford 2 more weeks of traveling. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to the beach. I can't afford 2 more weeks. That's a common area, and as you can see, it's empty. But it's pretty big. I washed my t-shirt and I'm gonna put it here to dry it here. It's very sunny here and it should dry, I think. So also is right next to the train station, which is perfect if you don't want to carry your luggage through all the city. I'm on the beautiful promenade now, Promenade Anglais, and I'm going to walk to Lake Gresca and from there down to the I Love Venice sign, just to some recordings. The weather is beautiful. The color of the sea is perfect, and I really can't wait to take a swim. I wish I could stay longer, but due to COVID, I really don't want to spend too much time here.